Hi, how are you? My name is Prasanna
Hi, sir.
Kumar. What's your name?
Hi, sir. My name is Renuka.
Okay. Why don't you introduce yourself?
My name is Renuka. I'm a telecommunicator from the So company. We used to train the people for the consultancy as like we are outsourcing through India and throughout the world.
Okay.
Uh,
Training in
I
the
used to
sense, what
call
kind of
many
training
people.
you do? What kind
We
of
used to
training?
train for the SAP,
Okay.
System
Okay.
Application Programming. It's related for the ERP.
Okay. What's your role as a telecommunicator?
I used to gather the people who are interested for the training, and we
Okay.
used to train for the 3 months. And
Okay.
after that, we used to outsource the people.
Okay. Right. Apart from SAP, do you do any kind of other trainings or you are expertise in only SAP?
Actually, I'm doing a work from home job for the clothing and accessories.
Okay. Right.
From since from 3 months.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm doing this both as a telecommunicator and as well as a work from home as a cloth and accessories.
Good, good. Nice to know. Renuka, today's topic is traveling. Do you like travel?
Yes, sir, I love to travel.
Okay. Can you tell me like,
Actually, my goal is as a cabin crew, but due to some problem, I got stopped that what has not happened. I recently met with an accident. It's a lifetime screw in my hand. So I am not sufficient for the cabin crew for the medical round.
oh, really sad to know. Okay. Then,
I love to travel.
okay, okay. Can you tell me where did you go your last vacation?
My last vacation. Due to Corona, we are not traveling anywhere. So
No, no, I'm talking about before Corona.
Tirupati. Tirupati.
Tirupati. Can you tell something about the Tirupati? What exactly you like in Tirupati?
Oh, weather, sir.
Okay, weather is good.
Weather and places.
Okay. Where
I
are
love eating there.
you love eating? Very interesting.
Yes,
Okay. Um,
different types.
you try all different types of food.
Yes,
Okay, sounds good. Can you tell me exactly where are you from?
I am from Visakhapatnam,
Visakhapatnam.
Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh.
Can you tell me something about Vizag?
Vizag, it's a city, sir. I love more traveling to more that in Vizag I love most places like Visakhapatnam is beach. I like to spend my time in a beach only.
Okay. Can you tell the name of the beach?
It's RK Beach, Trinity Park.
Okay. Okay. How often you travel?
Uh, per week 2 times.
Okay.
Per
Okay.
week 2 times.
You told me you like more eating food, right? Can I know what is your favorite food?
KFC chicken.
Okay. What about
I like biryani.
biryani? Okay. Sounds good. Okay. And can you tell me what is your future goal related to travel? Are you planning to go to any abroad or something, or within India, you want to see any places?
Yeah, I'm planning to go for the Jammu to
Okay.
play with the snow.
Okay. Okay. Do you prefer like traveling on car, or you prefer traveling on air, or you prefer travel on
Air,
rail?
air,
Air. Can
air.
I know what is the reason?
Actually, I love to travel in the air, so that's what I use as my career in a cabin crew. But some problem I don't, it's not felt, so I travel in air only. I prefer.
Okay. See, assume that next year everything is going to be sound. you travel to like Jammu and Kashmir, do you like to try local food where you travel?
I don't get you.
No, if you go to like Jammu, are you interested to
Okay.
try a local food or you prefer like your location food only?
No local food. I like to eat new types of.
Okay. Okay, Renika. Can I know something about your family background?
My father is working as an Visakhapatnam Port Trust in DC department, Marine department, and
Okay.
my mother is a homemaker. I'm having one sibling. He's studying in engineering third year, BTech in
Okay.
ECE.
Mm-hmm.
Anil Neelkonda in Visakhapatnam.
Okay. Renika, can I know like what is your short-term and long-term goals?
My short term goal. No, sir, I don't have any goals. It's going on like that.
Okay. Which area,
Actually,
at least which area you like more? I'm
peace.
talking about
I like
like working environment. I'm talking about job perspective.
okay to be settled good in a good position.
Okay.
Long term,
Mm-hmm.
short term to enjoy and to work. Enjoy and should be.
Okay.
We need to work with the enjoyment. In short,
Mm-hmm. Can I know what's your
if we did,
education background? What's your education background?
I have done BSc in Maths Electronics Computers. Recently, I have come up and I joined as a telecommunicator to the
Mm-hmm.
company.
Okay. You told me you're basically from Andhra Pradesh, right? Apart
Yes.
from your place, which place you like more?
Which place? My mother's family lives in Andaman. So,
Andaman.
yes,
Okay. Did you
we
ever
used to
visited
travel.
Andaman? Did you ever visited?
Yeah, I visit in 3 times.
Okay. Can you tell
Actually,
me?
we need to go it last year, but due to Corona, it was stopped.
Okay. Can you tell me
Not
something
happening.
about like Andaman? What you like in Andaman?
Climate, sir.
Hmm?
Climate, places.
I think you are a nature lover, right? Everything you are
Yes,
linked with the climate. See, can you
yeah.
elaborate? See, someone wants to go to like Andaman Nicobar. What you suggest? What kind of food do you suggest? What kind of accommodation
Seafood,
you
sir.
suggest? Sorry,
Seafood.
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 Okay.
Seafood is very good in Andaman and travel. First we need to visit the jail in Andaman
Hmm? Hmm?
and near volcanoes.
Okay.
There are three to more volcanoes in Andaman.
Okay.
So Andaman is different, Nicobar is different, and islands is different.
Okay. What is the distance between like Andaman and Nicobar? Any idea?
No, sir, I don't have any.
Okay.
My family was living all everyone will be living in Andaman only.
Okay. Okay. Renko, do you want to know anything from me? Can I know before that what made you to come to my channel? What do you want to learn?
For good speaking English,
Okay.
we should interact with the people.
Okay.
What people should know what they should learn and what kind of English they should learn and what fluency they should learn.
Hmm. Can I know how you improved your communication skills? Because of your academics or you spent some time to improve your communication?
No, actually, we trained as a cabin crew, so compulsory we need to be trained. Should have a fluent English. So I have trained in my when I'm in 15 years, 16 years old. I don't know, 18 years old.
Okay.
When I'm a plus two, after my plus two, I have trained.
Hmm.
After my graduation, I have attended for the interview.
Hmm.
But recently met with an accident. I have a lifetime screw, so that's what it happened.
Hmm.
Uh, in my training period, they make us learn everything,
Okay.
how to be groomed and how to be learn everything,
Okay. Okay.
and the personal development,
Hmm.
personal development. These all things we have learned from our school.
Okay.
And one thing we need to keep smiling every day.
Correct, correct. I accept with you. Renuka, can you give me any examples or suggestions how to improve a better communication?
By reading newspapers, we can
Okay.
get a good fluent English. By watching movies and by watching all the YouTube channels, you need to learn step by step,
Mhm.
so
Okay.
we can learn easily.
Okay. Mhm. What's your what do you do when you have a free time?
TV.
TV. You like watching like serials or something, or you watch
No,
any
sir, I don't
entertainment
watch
thing?
serials. I
What
don't
kind of
watch any serials.
then what do you
I'll
see in the
watch
TV? Movies,
movies,
only movies.
web series.
Okay. Can I know what is the your favorite web series? Recently you watched
Recently, Surya.
Surya. Okay. Can you little bit elaborate about that particular movie?
Uh, it is about a BTech life, sir.
Okay.
That guy is studying as a B. After he left 3 years after this college, he left for 3 years. He don't have any job, and her sister is also studied BTech. That way, she don't have any job. His parents are forcing to do a job and make him settle, and his family is very poor. He's attending many interviews. He's attending many jobs, but don't get any opportunities because he don't have any experience. So at last, he tried and tried. He got his job with a 15 lakhs of package per year, per month.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a success. Till we try and try, we'll get the success.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay. Can I know what exactly you like from that particular movie? What do you like? Particular area?
we should not stop anything, sir. We need to try and try till we get to complete our goal.
Correct, correct. Channel why I started. I need to help the people for free of cost. They come to my channel and talk to me. I'm going to improve my communication as well as I'm
Okay.
making others to like improve their communication. This is going to be like a win-win relationship kind of thing. It's not like one-sided. I'm not like a trainer. I'm also a learner like you. I think like we are running out of time. Do you have any more questions from?
So where are you from?
I'm from Vizag only. Fortunately, why? Because I really like Vizag.
Tell, sir, can you tell me about something about Vizag? What you
Vizag,
like?
in the sense, first definition is a Vizag is a steel city, and next thing is Vizag is a very beautiful city, and we have a very nice beaches. As per my knowledge, we have solid 5 beaches, right from Ramkrishna Beach, Rushikonda Beach, Yarada Beach, and Thinneti Park Beach, and Beamley Beach. These 5 beaches are very popular in Vizag, and believe me, Vizag is a excellent, beautiful place for travel. Here,
So
people are
what kind of
very
food you like?
I like biryani is first priority. Why? Because one of my hobbies are cooking. I love cooking. Why? Because I love eating. That's the reason I love cooking also.
So why don't you cook me? I'll come to your home.
Why not? You are most welcome. You can come down to my house. I am very specialized in
Yes.
very specialized items like pav bhaji, bel puri, chaat, biryani,
I
chole
love junk
bhatura,
food, sir.
junk food. In the sense, like what kind of junk food do you like more?
Noodles,
Noodles. I cook noodles very well.
manchurian, chili chicken, starters.
Okay. Okay, Renuka, nice talking to you. I will catch up with you
Thank-
later. Thank you so much.
Thank